Well, it has been fun to watch the rebuild of the plaza between the church office building and the administration building and the Joseph Smith Memorial. It's coming together, and there will be flags around that elliptical shape you can see there from all over the world. The reflecting pond has been removed, and a new one will be rebuilt here that will be much nicer. It was interesting watching that crane drop a load of material down into the main spire tower. Here's a view of that big pipe they're putting in for the base isolators. You can read the news article with the YouTube video for more details about it. That domed roof is the tabernacle. We'll go over the top of that and over toward the south side of the temple where they're building that new visitor center. There's a good view of that lone cypress tree that came from Israel as a seedling in about 1949. There's a good view looking north, across North Temple to see the conference center. Okay, we're moving north across the west side of the temple, and you can see that annex that's being built there that's going to have ordinance rooms and 2 baptistries. It'll be low level so that and a skylight so you can see the temple from within it. This is a good view looking from the southeast toward the temple. The Salt Lake Temple was the first to have an angel Moroni, and we look forward to it being replaced soon.